Let's follow the step how to make frame design like this. First, make vertical and horizontal line. Set align center. Right-click and make guides. Create a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path. I fill offset 60 pixels. Delete this. Right-click and make guides. Make horizontal line. Go to Effect, and go to Transform. Check Preview, fill vertical 10 pixels, and copies 10 pixels. Go to Object and expand Appearance. Right-click and ungroup. Delete this. Selection, press up. Click center. Rotate and hold Shift-Alt. Move this to here. Select, right-click, ungroup. Right-click again and make guides. Draw the pattern. Select. Activate Reflect tool. Click center, drag and hold Shift-Alt. Select and reflect again with the same way. Right-click and hide guides. Make line using pen tool. Selection and set stroke thickness. Selection. Go to Stroke, click Library, Gradient and Metals. Click this to set stroke to front. Click Gold color. Go to Gradient and change angle. Set fill to front. Now, make rectangle for background. Fill gradient color. Click this stroke and press slash to set none stroke. Right-click and send to back. Press G to edit gradient manually. Finish. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.